Hey guys, so I'm gonna recap colon 0. Uh, I'm gonna start with Taffy and John, our two seniors, because it's the only game I actually haven't watched. So surely this is a good one. I think Taffy's Seamons are Clang and Lampin, which isn't here, and then John's are Porygon and Wattrel. So Porygon and Clang are sea guys. Looking at this, um, if Taffy is just like Electrium C, if he gets a shift gear up, I don't see what stops it. Maybe, probably need some chip on the EV light guys. And I think there's no fighting resist, so Kupfu could also be very scary for Taffy. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Maybe this is too fast. Hippo and Brion. Okay, rocks. I'm assuming John is gonna like. I thought he was gonna mortal spin, but whirlwind. Good for the dragon dancer as well. Ooh, is Taffy actually Sandrush? Oh, yeah, he is. He didn't take Sandstorm. That's really funny. I respect it. Yeah, I'm assuming John meant to be toxic debris, but he's not. So yeah, this is really scary for Taffy. If he's like Trailblaze. Oh, that did nothing. Never mind. Ooh, okay. I would have probably whirlwinded, but I think Earthquake is actually better. So good on Taffy for clicking Earthquake. But if it had been like an Ice Punch and wouldn't lower the defense, then it would be a little monker. But not with this guy here, obviously. Is he Trace? Aw, I really wanted him to Trace Sandrush. Yeah, this is bandit as fuck. Is he gonna convert? He is. Yeah. Ice. Why would you wanna be an ice type? I feel like if you have Thunderbolt, just become electric. Anyway. Yeah, this is faster and just kills. I don't know if that's like. No, it doesn't even need to be Scarf. Yeah. I'm thinking Taffy wins this one. I'm assuming a knockoff is gonna come out. Yeah. Yeah, this doesn't look like a Dragon Dance guy. Is he? I was gonna say, is he Specs? That did a lot of damage. Also the Hydro Pump too, I guess. I would have probably just Ice Beamed first and then U-turned, but I guess when the leap takes anything this thing has. Does he not have a Dragon move? That's unfortunate. Okay, oh. Choice back to rest. Honestly, I respect it. But I think Taffy just has to like stay out of crit range and then on a turn where a dragon is still sleeping, like switch. Or go for Earth Power drops. This is just good because you can't be paralyzed. I'm gonna speed this up. Oh, Jesus. Huh? So I guess this is like specially defensive. Uh, yeah. I mean, I don't think he can Whirlpool because it's Storm Drain, right? Also, I'm assuming this is just Torrent then, because I think Liquid Voice would make Perish Song not work on this. But that doesn't matter at all. Ooh, he actually just sacks The leap. I don't know if that's good, especially when you have an inaccurate move like Gong Shot. Taffy, are you throwing this? Taffy? Better dodge Fire Blast, I guess. That's kinda unfortunate. Or John can decide to not risk it, possibly giving Taffy the win. If this is C, it definitely kills. Uh, like if it's C Steel, but I think it might be electric. Nope, this looks like Corkscrew Crash, yeah. And then just Wild Charge, I guess. Or Beer Grind on the Water type. Why? I don't think it matters. But I don't, yeah, okay. Thought it was fairy. Anyway, uh, I think the decision to sack this was a little questionable, but otherwise really well played by Taffy. And by John too. I think he just struggled a bit with speed, honestly. Most of his guys are pretty slow, and Taffy had sand. And there's no really... no bulk, kinda. No physical bulk, at least. Anyway, yeah. I'll go on to Ferdinand versus Palmer. Oh, do I have to think of C's again? I don't. I've watched this game already. Let's just go. Now, surely Palmer wouldn't run Assault Vest on an NFE, right? Surely he wouldn't do that. Good knockoff. Okay, and his boots on this. I mean, sure, but like, why? You have spin, just be EVLA. I don't know. That's just personal preference. Oh yeah, this fucking Illuminate Staryu that Fernan had without recover. Sticky hold, right? TOIDLS champion, dog. I think Fernan might like struggle breaking this, honestly. Especially if he has a poison move, which I forgot if he does. So surely, is this like Scarf Rocks or something? I don't know. Yeah, I don't think Steenie has U-turn, right? But it's still good knock value. Oh, that kills. Damn. Was this knocked off? Oh, it was. Okay. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Would have maybe just not let it get knocked off. But like, I mean, it's a full HP Shallows. I feel like that was possible to keep. But I don't know. Maybe he prioritized the sleep on Croc. I'm assuming that crit didn't matter, but like, this was clearly timid. And also not that strong, so I don't know if foul play actually would have killed. What? Okay, well, never mind. So, yeah, paralyzed Grimer, C dwebble behind screens. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Yeah, Earthquake and then... Oh, right, this was fucking Rock Wrecker. I think maybe Palmer could have saved it if he like baited the C, like went Shellos and then sacked Carcoal or something. I think here, obviously, he wouldn't know it's Rock Wrecker because that's insane. But if he knew, obviously sack Carcoal. Also, this is left. First of all, Black Sludge if you're gonna insist. Second of all, don't insist and just run a better move. And yeah, Palmer is modest. He's not timid, so he's slower than this and loses, which is unfortunate. That feels really avoidable. But that's life. Maybe if this was Eviolite, would have actually lived that Thunder Punch. Anyway, who am I to blame? Not placing blame. I would never. GG's to Fernan, I guess. Not I guess, sorry, that's mean. Well played by, well, neither, really. I'm kidding. Ibby versus Noble. I know the Pidgeotto is C and the Machoke is C. That's all I remember. So Noble scout for the Grass Knot. Smart? I don't know. I would have probably just. Well, yeah, U-turn is correct. Never mind. So Magma got knockoff this gen. That's right. And so did Drowsy. Wow. So when he does it, it's fine. That's crazy. Anyway. Yeah, Loki a little weak to Palpitoad. Like just, well, for one, this taking a billion. Oh, the fucking Trubbish stud. Yeah, that's just a free turn for Noble guaranteed. That's cute. I like that actually. Yeah, I don't. Why? Why would you do that? And then also stay in. Like I get it, pulling rest is from Sleep Talk is unlucky, but like that's you can't take that risk really. And then unfortunately sacks the Tink. And Noble smartly scouts for the C move. So that's basically wasted. And is also slower than the Murkrow. That's funny. Because that's just another free turn and now I can do it again. Why did Ibby not click Sleep Talk that turn? He knows he's gonna sleep because he used rest. It's always 2 turns. Anyway, never mind, it doesn't matter. Right. So Ibby's Scarf. But he's also a fucking dumbass. Yeah, you can't trick sea crystals and megastones and shit. But I feel like he could still win if he was like Dragon Dance maybe on Croconaw, but he's Trailblaze. Gets the speed boost, which means he isn't Sheer Force. So basically this is just a bad Pokemon now. And is really weak also. And probably can't touch the water immunity and the 4 times resist. Aerial Ace is cute, but like it's not gonna matter on a fucking Croconaw. Without Sheer Force, without Life Orb, without anything, it's just really weak. And apparently Eevee doesn't even have Protect. That's, I mean, well played by Noble. Eevee, better luck next time, I guess. Learn the mechanics, maybe. That's my advice. And finally, this fucking bullshit. Apparently, like, I think the first 22 turns are valid. I would be Scarf Magnemite. I would switch if I was Mike, but he doesn't, which is fair. This isn't pressure, which... okay, Tailwind, U-turn. I hate that. And then Marsh Tomb on Tailwind. Oh god, this is a fucking ominous wind Togetic. Sibi, like, respect for trying, but also never do that again. Also, if Mike was pressure, this would have one ominous wind left. Just saying. Fishing for boosts is a little cringe, but like, it wouldn't be that bad if he had another move and didn't just continue to do that again. Like +1 doing 17. It's crazy. I don't think that tailwind was really needed. Does he not have anything else? I don't. I hope Mike crits. Right. So, like, with start power makes sense because you need a boost to not have a 20 base power move. But like, it's still just a Togetic, so it's kinda weak. I believe Drillbur is C. Surely it has Rock. Right? Yeah, Continental Crush. But it's -1 and it's a Drillbur. Wow. That's actually really surprising. That's not even reckless. That's crazy. Yeah, that's not a Cove. Yeah, Mike kinda can't beat Slowpoke. Well, he has this, but it's completely walled by Gossifleur, so Sivir really just has dual regen, and Mike can't do anything. Maybe if Mike had been pressure, he could PV stall, but he's not. Also, Sivir not being Libero or Libero, that's just unfortunate, because that would have definitely killed and made this a lot faster. But he didn't, and I'm just gonna do you all the favor of it's still going. My god. Cool. Yeah, this was painful to watch live. Anyway, I mean, I don't know what to say. Well played to Zibi. Um, weird prep by both. I respected. Actually, I don't respect uh, this. I don't respect that. Sorry. Also, again, so he can use teleport with regen, but I can't. That feels targeted. Anyway, those were the recaps for week 1. If you missed the one from my game, it's linked. Who cares? No one cares. You don't care. I know. I'm sorry. See you next week.